Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some super cute kawaii notebooks, and it's going to be really fun. And yeah, so hit that subscribe button and comment and like and stuff, and let's get started. So what you'll need is some pictures of some of your favorite characters, a notebook, some paper and stickers, scissors, paintbrush, and Mod Podge. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is cut out your characters. Once you have your character cut out, it should look something like this. I chose My Little Pony because it's really cute and kawaii and fun. She's so cute. So to measure your paper, you're going to want to put your paper on top, flip your notebook over, and then you can measure around how far the paper needs to go and mark with a pencil. Measure and then cut. And then it should fit. Now just Mod Podge it to the book. You like this. Make sure it's all stuck. Don't get Mod Podge anywhere else, like on the paper or on the floor. You know, because that would be bad. Then this is the part where you fold up the edges. So folding the edges is kind of hard, especially when you're trying to do it with cardstock. But now what we're going to do is, yeah, it's all kind of messed up. It'll work out. So now what we're going to do is take our character, our My Little Pony, and put her on here and just paint the whole thing over with Mod Podge. Like this. Ta-da! Should look something like this. Then go ahead and let it dry. Okay guys, now I've stapled some of the cardstock down so it'll stick better. But now just add your stickers. Like this. And there you have it, guys. You have yourself a fabulous kawaii notebook. You can also do the back. I don't know if I will or not, depending on how hard this cardstock was to put on. And that, you guys, is a beautiful kawaii notebook. So yeah, I added this sparkles, and it's still gonna dry, but I don't know if I'll do the back or not with the cardstock on, but yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hang around, lots of kawaii videos all the time. Love you guys. Bye.